Welcome back to the channel. Been playing with a '69 Camaro a little bit. Took a trip down to Nashville, got us some parts. Picked up some pretty good stuff. Got some brand new door handles. Energy suspension bushing kit. We got both front torque boxes. Got both seat risers, both trunk drop-offs. Got a heater box inside, and we got the outside heater box. Got a new tow patch panel for the front driver's side. Got us a new tail panel. We fucked ours up getting the floor pan out. Also got an extra subframe. Did pretty good. I traded an AR pistol for all that. So now we got the stuff we can take this out, cut it out, replace it. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Got to buy that one, of course. Got to buy the wheel tubs. Like I said, the tail panel, we jacked it up. But other than that, we get some of this surface rust cleaned off of here. It'd be pretty nice. Don't know why it zoomed in like that. Kind of excited. Put some paint on the floor pan yesterday. It turned out pretty good, I think, anyway. It is definitely gloss. Not much of a painter, but I feel like I did all right on it. Might end up painting the whole car just to say I did it. I think it turned out quite nice. Shoot, I can see the car up there in it. But yeah, we're working on it a little bit. Hopefully today we might get some surface rust cleaned up, lay some primer up in here, and get it all painted nice, shining black, so we can get the floor pan installed, and we'll be rolling by then. Till the next time.